Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So this video is about how to get paid for Reels on Instagram. But before moving ahead, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And now let's get started. Open your Instagram account. Then go to your profile and tap on the menu icon on top right corner. Select settings. Here first you need to convert your account from personal account to professional account. And for that, tap on account, scroll down and switch to professional account. Now select the options given. Scroll down, select video creator, tap on done and wait for 30 seconds. Now choose the creator option and tap on next. Now your account has been converted into professional account. Now again select the menu icon, go to the settings. Now here you have got one more option of creator between notifications and privacy options. Select creator and then go to monetization status. This shows you are eligible for monetization. Now go back. Now here in the list, after some time you will get an option of bonus. And also Instagram will provide you a criteria to get paid according to your account activity. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.